Yeah.
Okay. I can put all the turrets on players and teams from that ammo pool mod. I can switch them back and forth.
Oh my god.
Are you still lighting their stuff up?
Yeah.
You should step outside and look. It's fucking beautiful. It's so pretty.
Should take video of that. Just so
Uh,
I can remember.
I totally am. Oh, it's like a party
The
up here.
fireworks, yeah, man. It's so pretty.
Standing in the middle of it, it's a beautiful thing.
I want to grapple up there and take a look from that angle.
Where you at?
I'm on the ground looking. I'm right underneath you.
Standing here is awesome.
Right behind our beam of the gate.
Should we put more turrets on players and teams?
I'm doing that.
Do you have an ammo pool doing it?
Oh, no, I'm just doing it
'Cause I can
manually.
switch everything within range to players and teams. Should I go ahead and do that?
If you want to.
I don't think it'll take too many bullets to kill. Or puzzles and RG or whatever.
This is awesome.
Oh shit! There it goes.
Quetz has
Stop, it's dead. Up,
it's left
dead.
the building. Let's see what
That was
they got
quick.
on it. Regular
Yeah,
saddle.
Yori is definitely a girl. You could tell that she like sounded sad, and she didn't know how to take a suicide potion to kill herself.
What the fuck?
They're a little sad about that apparently.
Well, they said they'd offline rate us, so here's a final base tour. This is where our dino pin was gonna be.
It's funny they're crying. However, Quetz is on passive if they're at our base.
Yeah. It always seems like just when we get settled in somewhere, the server either just breaks or, I don't know, people stop playing. Oh well.
That's how it always is.
Nerd Parade will be different.